my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here to share my recipe with you guys for Rasmalai Modak. Yes guys, I love Rasmalai as a sweet. It is one of my personal favorite. And I just thought of combining Rasmalai with Ganesha's favorite Modaks for this Ganesh Chaturthi. And I got such an amazing fusion dessert recipe, so you must try this recipe at your home and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So what are you waiting for? If you wanna know how I prepared these Rasmalai Modaks at home, then please keep on watching the video.
For the recipe of Rasmalai Modak, start by taking about 150 grams of paneer. I'm gonna be using this homemade paneer, and then we're just gonna quickly blend it in a blending jar. Once you have blended it, it should look something like this. It should have a smooth, pasty consistency. Empty all of this out in a heavy bottomed pan. Now to this, add about 120 grams of milk powder. To this, add about 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar based on your liking of sweetness. And then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cashew powder to this. Give all of this a quick mix before switching on the flame. Now at this consistency, switch on the flame. Make sure to keep the flame on sim so that the mixture doesn't get burnt. Also make a point to keep stirring it. As your mixture gets softer and comes to this consistency, add about 1 teaspoon of Rasmalai essence to this. Then switch off the flame and take out all of the mixture on a plate. Spread it on the plate completely so that the mixture gets cooled down quickly. After 10 minutes of wait, add lots of chopped pistachios to this mixture. Also top it with some rose petals. It's just gonna add to the flavor of our dish. And now mix all of this together to form a firm dough out of this. Now using a modak mold like this, I'm just gonna open it and apply a generous amount of ghee on all of its sides. I'm just gonna sprinkle some rose powder on its sides to give it a fancy look, and while we are at it, we'll also add few chopped pistachios on the sides. Then taking small portions of our dough, I'm just gonna place it on our modak mold just as shown in video. Close the modak mold and try and stuff in all of the mixture inside the mold. Remove the excess mixture, and once you have pressed it hard enough and you're sure that the modak is completely packed, remove all the excess mixture and then you're ready to open our modak. Be very gentle and slow while doing this step. And tada! We have our first Rasmalai Modak ready. We can always fix the edges after removing it, just like I am doing in the video. And this is how our Rasmalai Modak actually looks. Prepare rest of them in the same way and your Rasmalai Modaks are ready. Enjoy!
So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then let me know in the comments down below. If you prepare these modak at your home, then please let me know. You can share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be given in the description box below. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.